Welcome to Solver Fee.
So the number of positive numbers that will be visible of 31735. Notice that the integer that are multiples of the GCD of 317 is 51, GCD of 335 105, and GCD of 1735 is 505. However, the 3 GCD of 31735 is exceed 1000, that is 7085. So these three GCD less than 1000 will appear, so we will subtract them. So we have occurrence of 3 in 1000, 1735 is about 333, 58, and 28 respectively. And then we have to simplify it. So we have 33 plus 58 plus 28 minus 19 minus 9 minus 1, that is equals to 390. So the number of positive integer less than 1000 and not divisible by 317 or 35 is 1000 minus 390 is equals to 610 integers.